Hello friends, welcome to Abhi's Reviews. In this video, we will show how to withdraw money from an ATM in Germany. So you have to put your debit card inside and wait for the display to come. So either you can select English language or German language, and that's according to you. Okay. So for English, I click on English and you can see it's a Geldautomat and withdraw your euro. You have to specify that thing. So you have to wait and you have to select which amount you want. So I will going for 50 euros, or you can select another amount if you want it. And you have to accept because it's an like outside common item, some amount has to be given. So now we put the pin and then press the green button. Obviously in India also the same thing, I guess so. Then just wait for it and your money will be coming out. First the card will come out, you have to take that, and there is a cash dispensing slot is there. So this ATM you can see lot of, in most of the places in Germany outside, and see your 50 euros is here, you take the money. So now we know the operation is almost similar like any other country, like